That's right, you guys. I got that GameSir, the anti-stick drift experts. Y'all already know how it is. GameSir top notch. I got the G7 Pro Tri-Mode controller. This is the one specifically for the Xbox. This thing is great, man. We're gonna unbox this thing and see what we got going on. Look at all these features it can do. Man, this thing really certified. Designed for Xbox too. Designed for Xbox. It also comes with a 1 month of Xbox Game Pass. So let's get this baby open. When you first open this thing up, comes in a nice little package with a double box on it. You know, first off, let me set this up real nice. There's the controller right there. We're gonna put this on the side for now. We're gonna save that for last. That's what you want to see, so we're gonna make it wait a little bit. There go the docking station right there. And what we got in here? Oh yeah, we got some extra bumpers on there, bumper pads, buttons on here. So you got 2 extra buttons. You got the directional and the straight push. That's what I call it. And also, this is the USB adapter when you put it into your computer, so you can do wireless. It is wireless on the PC, and you can also do your phone, a tablet, anything like that, Android. Also, it's hardline to your Xbox. So that's nice. I like that. This cord is long. It's like a 20-foot cord too. So let's check it out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, of course, this is the instruction manual. Right here, it's got all your paperwork in it, and it's got your free month of Xbox Live. So Ultimate, make sure you guys definitely check that out. It does definitely come with a docking station, so you know that's a great value right there within itself. Nice heavy docking station too. I like that. Type C connection right there for the docking station. So that's nice. I like that. You just put that right there. And then you can charge that baby up with the Type C. Then the controller just sits right on top and you charge it up. This controller is 272 grams, which is 0.6 pounds. 0.6 pounds there. So that's how much it weighs. Nice. Oh, they got the little bumpers on there too. Look at this controller. Ooh, that boy is sweet. Feels real good in my hand. It's heavy too. It's got a little weight to it too. Fits perfectly in my hand. I've got one of the other top-notch controllers, but it don't feel as good as this one right here. You got the front bumpers in it. You got the 3mm jack right there. You can mute your headset from the button on the right instantly. You got your regular Xbox buttons right here where you pull up, you know, your pages, your graphs. Man, this feels really good in my hands. I like this, boy. GameSir really did their thing. Oh yeah, the back bumpers. You can do that, or you can hit the button down there, and then you can actually cut up. Look, the soft button right there. That's the game. So you can make the regular button go, or you can click it and make it the quick button. So you also have that right there. So everybody like to shoot real fast. You already got that. Down the bottom, you have the even more buttons that you can program, and if you don't use them, you can actually hit the button and turn them off. So you don't even have to worry about hitting them by mistake. I know I used to do that before I turned it off. Also, you got the button here to change it from PC to Bluetooth. So depending on how you're using it, you can switch it right there with the button. And of course, right here you got your regular buttons up there, your RL, your R5, L5. Nice. I mean, it feels really good. Of course, you got your faceplate too. Check this out. The faceplate just pops right off. They're interchangeable. You can put any more faceplates on it. So I like that. It's a 3-part magnetic swap. It's swappable and compatible with all the previous versions of G7. And I don't know, man. I might just rock it like this. I might just rock it like that. You see that? I don't know. But I switch it up. And like I said, you can just pop the buttons off right here. They provide you with the 2 extra. Just pop those off. And you know, if you don't like the solid round, I don't really like that one myself. I like the 4. Yeah, I like the four rows. So I'm gonna put that on mine because that's the one I rock with right there. Yes, sir. I just push it down like that. Yep, that's the one I'm used to rocking with. So I'm gonna set this baby up how I like it. Totally customizable. and then you just give you a little extra. So I'm put that back in there, and then you just pop the faceplate back on just like that. Just put it in, boom. It's actually magnetic and it just goes right in. No effort, easy peasy. Nice push down button, man. I can't get over how good this fit. Just sit up on the docking station just like that, and that'll be plugged in. You ready to go? Hey, I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna go ahead and put some power on this thing and let y'all see how it look. Yeah, that's how it look when it's charging. You got it glowing right there. Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Looking good. And it's powering up. This thing is heavy too. I like it. It feels good in my hands and everything. It feels real nice. It's compatible with all the GameSir Nexus apps too, right there. I'm going to show you the app in a little bit. Make sure you guys check out the GameSir page online. See all their products that they have, and definitely copy this G7 right here for the Xbox. This thing is awesome. Now let's go into the app and see all the different things you can do with the app. Make sure you click right here once you get the firmware. Do a firmware upgrade right here, and this one of the first things you want to do is make sure you update your controller. Upgrade. You have to have your controller plugged into your PC so it'll recognize it, and then you just do the little upgrade right there. Fast forward montage. After you get into the app, you'll see a number of things. You got 4 profiles at the top. You can customize that, change the name to whatever you want. I'm going to change just a couple of them because I know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be running that Resurgence, that Battle Royale. Then I'm going to have a main profile. So I'm going to go ahead and pretty much set all that up right here. Next thing you know, you got trigger area. You can change your trigger areas on here. I'm going to probably do that later. I'm just kind of fooling around with it now. But, everything is right here on the main screen. You can change the gigahertz, the respect ratio, right there, the aspect ratio. You got the your L4, your L5 buttons. Here's inside. So you could totally customize all the buttons on here. All the RS, the DS, the RB, also the stick. You can also adjust your dead zones on here. Right here side here, you got all kinds of stuff, man. Your motion, you can adjust your motion, so you can totally personalize this controller to fit you. So when you pick this thing up, it'll be ready for you. You know how you hit the little button in the car to adjust to your seat when you're changing drivers? You can do that with this controller. So you can totally do the triggers. If you like vibrations, you could adjust the vibrations. I cut my vibrations off, but you could do all that right inside the controller, man. It's awesome. And like I say, here's the setup. So totally how you want to customize it. And check this, guys. Look here, I got it set up. Here's my little computer setup. There's the docking station. There's the G7 controller. Look, turn the lights out. Look, ooh, it fits right in. It's perfect. It fits right with my setup, no doubt. I'm gonna be using this the PC game, so it's perfect for me. Upgrade my PC controller. Now you already know what's gonna happen to them. Now let me turn the lights back on. But you guys definitely get this G7 controller, man. Yeah, it's for Xbox or PC, however you want to do it. It's right here, wireless, great deal. I want you guys definitely click the link in the description. As always, get yourself that G7 Pro controller. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm definitely gonna see you on the next one. GameSir, you did it, baby. I love it.